Now, what can we learn of this story of a tale of unity and forgiveness? The importance of inclusion. The story shows how excluding someone, like Lumina, led to negative consequences. Parents can learn the importance of ensuring all children feel included and informed about important events or changes in their lives. The power of forgiveness. The moon inhabitants forgiving Lumina demonstrates the transformative power of forgiveness. Parents can learn to model forgiveness and teach their children its value in healing relationships and communities. Addressing loneliness and isolation. Lumina's actions stemmed from feeling isolated. This highlights the importance of parents being attentive to signs of loneliness in their children and helping them build connections. The strength of unity. The story shows how unity between Moonpi and Noompi led to peace, even without Lunar Lions. Parents can encourage cooperation and mutual respect among siblings or peers. Embracing change. The removal of borders and creation of amusement parks show how positive change can emerge from challenging situations. Parents can help children see change as an opportunity for growth and improvement. The reasons why it is important for children to listen to this story. The first, understanding emotions. The story helps children recognize how emotions like loneliness and resentment can lead to harmful actions, and how understanding and kindness can overcome these negative feelings. Second, the consequences of actions. Lumina's plan and an unexpected outcome teaches children that actions have consequences, sometimes different from what we expect. The third, the value of diversity. The unity between Moonpi and Noompi shows children the beauty and strength that comes from embracing differences and working together. The fourth, the power of forgiveness. Children learn that forgiveness can lead to healing and new beginnings, both for the forgiver and the forgiven. The fifth, overcoming fear. The story shows how fear, like Lumina's fear of the wizard, can limit us, but facing our fears can lead to positive discoveries. The sixth, the importance of community. Children learn how a strong, supportive community can overcome challenges and create a better environment for everyone. The seventh, adaptability. The story demonstrates how adapting to new situations, like the Lunar Lions leaving for new adventures, can lead to positive outcomes, encouraging children to be flexible in their own lives.